part. Did it there too. Just pour it up.
Put it right here. Let's touch the bottom right here.
I almost did it.
I know, I saw it.
Getting closer.
Look, spin out of control though. Like over on ice.
So tomorrow. Huh?
Oh man, what? It's your birthday today. How old are you?
56.
I see you're an LA Dodger fan.
Yes. Not really.
Traitor.
I'm an Angel fan.
Look at me. So you're 66. How does it feel to be 66?
Just another year older.
Well, don't you want to get on the diving board and do
No.
a couple of backflips?
No.
Why not?
Put my back out.
No, that's not what I did.
You would love to go to a high dive, huh?
What?
Yeah. No, the one at Big Rock Creek is like the size of the house, Mom.
My friend can do it on just this.
Really?
My friend Bryce, I don't know how he does it.
Tony, what are you?
So Teresa,
He springs.
what's it like to have 3 boys in the house?
Wild. Wild and loud.
Well, just wait till it's all over with. You'll miss
know.
them.
It'll be quiet and
Boring.
I know.
You
I
won't.
think about that.
Yeah. This is the best time of your life.